Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Syauqi Shazamil bin Muhammad Sufyan, and uh, I'm gonna present about noise level measurement. Our group member is include by Anaki Danish, Dini Ashraf, and Muhammad Adam Azril bin Rafi. So we go to the first part is introduction about noise level measurement. So noise level measurement is to check how loud sound is in an area. Is it important in place like factories, construction, site, cities, and even school. The sound is measured in decibel, which is the unit is dB and dBA scale. And this case study was done at Faculty of Estate Management, which is Faculty EM building at UiTM Seri Iskandar, Perak. The building has 3 floors and the case study was carried out in classroom C17 on the first floor.
My name is Anaki Danish Mizogan, and I'm here to explain about objective in our report. The objective is to record the sound level for 30 minutes inside the classroom. The instruments that we use in our study is using noise measure meter and measuring tape. So the first instruments that we're going to talk about is sound measure meter. What is sound measure meter? Sound level meters are handheld electronics devices that take acoustic measurements that they provide readings on the noise level in an environment and usually return a measurement in decibels. Sound level meters are also called decibels meter or noise meters. Thank you. And the second instrument is measuring tape. A measuring tape, also known as a tape measure, is a flexible ruler used to measure distance and lengths. So the location that we chose to conduct our sound level test is at Faculty EM classroom, UiTM Sri Iskandar, Perak. This is because Faculty EM classroom are commonly used among diploma in building technology. So and we are doing this for our subject DBT263, which is the classroom among use in this Faculty EM classroom. We're going to do our assignment in this room. We're going to open all the lights, switch on all the fans, close all the doors, close all the windows, and we're going to do our test. So this is a measuring tape, and we're going to measure this. But this is actually going to measure for the sound test. So we're starting to pull this until it reach 1.2 meter, and it's going to be around here from ground hole. This is going to be 1.2 meter.
So first of all, you touch this power button you see here. Touch it once, so it open, and then hold this set button until it says set. See right there, it says set. After it says set, tap this, record enter until it say 120. Oh, right there. Yeah, see right there, 120 SPT. It show that this is the maximum level of dB. Alright, after that you hit record again once. It say right there record, and then we hold this logo button and it will record our recording. See blinking right there, it show that it was recorded already. And wait for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes already done, tap the record again, and then we're done. After we already use this and record it for 30 minutes, we take out the SD card below the sound level meter here, and take out this micro SD adapter. Result on the Excel here, as you can see here, for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the dB value is almost identical to each other, which is currently average 60 dB.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Dini Ashraf. So in this presentation, I will explain for my part, which is discussion and findings. So for the first, noise level range that we record is 16.7 decibels to 64.8 decibels. Second, highest reading. Highest reading that we record is 64.8 decibels, maybe caused by slight tapping on desks or chair creaks. For the lowest reading, we record is 16.7 decibel, recorded multiple times, indicating very soft ambient background noise. So for the average reading, consistently around 61 to 62 decibels, reflects a quiet indoor environment, which is good for our space for studying or make some work in that classroom. So for the continuous discussion and findings, we detected sound include first fan, air conditioner, footstep and chair creaks. It is common sound for the environment in our classroom, so it is not a big problem for us for make our work. Second, not excessive or loud noise detected, only normal indoor background sound. So for the last part in our presentation is conclusion. For the conclusion, based on the noise measurement, the recorded levels range from 16.7 decibels to 64.8 decibels, with an average around 61 to 62 decibels. This indicates that the environment is generally quiet and suitable for indoor activities such as studying or office work. Minor noise fluctuations were caused by chair creaks and footsteps, but no excessive or disturbing noise was detected. Overall, the area can be considered as having good noise control and comfortable sound levels. So that's all for this our presentation. Thank you.
And that is all from our group. We would like to thank you to our lecturer, Madam Asmat, for leading and teaching us on how to conduct this test. And that is all from us. Thank you for listening and pay attention to our presentation. Thank you.